Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
NinjaTrader pricing is built entirely around how active you are as a futures trader, and it immediately separates itself from traditional investing platforms. Instead of percentage-based fees or bundled account pricing, NinjaTrader focuses strictly on per-contract commissions and gives traders three distinct ways to pay. The free plan has no monthly subscription at all and charges 39 cents per side on micro contracts and $1.29 per side on standard contracts. This makes it accessible for beginners or occasional traders who want to learn futures trading without upfront costs, but the higher per contract commissions mean expenses rise quickly as trading frequency increases. For traders who are more active, the monthly plan costs $99 per month and reduces commissions to $0.29 per side on micro contracts and $0.99 per side on standard contracts. This structure benefits traders who execute regularly and want predictable savings as volume grows, allowing the subscription fee to be offset by lower execution costs over time. The most aggressive option is the lifetime plan, which requires a one-time payment of $1,499 and unlocks the lowest commission rates available on the platform at 0.09 per side for micro contracts and 0.59 per side for standard contracts. This plan is clearly designed for high-volume, long-term futures traders who expect to trade for years and want to minimize per-trade friction as much as possible. Across all plans, commissions are charged per side, meaning traders pay once to open and once to close a position. In addition, exchange, clearing, and regulatory fees still apply, which is standard across regulated futures markets and should always be factored into real trading costs when calculating profitability. NinjaTrader's feature set reflects its singular focus on active futures trading. The platform offers professional-grade charting with deep customization, advanced order flow tools, depth of market analysis, volume profiling, and tick-by-tick data. Traders can build, backtest, and automate strategies using NinjaScript, enabling fully customized algorithmic trading systems. Market Replay allows users to practice strategies using historical data as if markets were live, while advanced order types like bracket orders, trailing stops, ATM strategies, and one-click execution support fast decision-making in volatile environments. What truly distinguishes NinjaTrader is control. Traders can fine-tune layouts, indicators, execution logic, and risk parameters down to the smallest detail. Strategy optimization tools allow users to test variations across large data sets, helping identify what works and what doesn't before risking capital. That power, however, comes with trade-offs. NinjaTrader is not built for passive investors, retirement planning, or diversified portfolio management. There are no traditional stock or ETF investing features, no integrated banking, and no hands-off automation. The strengths are clear: precision, speed, transparent pricing, and scalability for serious futures traders. The weaknesses are just as clear: complexity, narrow asset focus, and limited appeal outside active trading. NinjaTrader is purpose-built for traders who want deep market access and granular execution control, not investors looking for simplicity or long-term portfolio growth. SoFi Invest takes almost the opposite approach to NinjaTrader, prioritizing simplicity, accessibility, and long-term wealth building over active trading intensity. Pricing is designed to be easy to understand and friendly to beginners. Self-directed stock, ETF, and options trading is commission-free, with zero account maintenance fees for self-directed brokerage accounts, including IRAs. The minimum to begin investing is $5, which lowers the barrier for new investors. Options contracts themselves have no commission, although standard regulatory and exchange fees still apply, as they do across the industry. For investors who prefer automation, SoFi's Robo-Advisor charges a 0.25% annual advisory fee with a $50 minimum, covering portfolio construction, automatic rebalancing, and ETF-based diversification. IPO investing introduces specific transactional fees with $50 on first sale IPO shares and $5 for subsequent sales within the IPO window. Certain mutual funds carry transaction costs, such as 2% on interval and tender offer funds, or 0.2% capped at $20 on select mutual funds. ETF and mutual fund expense ratios are charged by fund providers, not by SoFi. Additional service fees exist but are avoidable for most users, including a $25 inactivity fee after 6 months without login, $2 paper trade confirmations, $5 paper statements, and a $100 IRA closure fee. Feature-wise, SoFi Invest is built around convenience and ecosystem integration rather than trading depth. Users can invest in stocks, ETS, options, IPOS, and automated portfolios from a single dashboard. Fractional shares allow every dollar to stay invested, while recurring investments support consistent long-term habits. SoFi also integrates tightly with SoFi, checking and savings, personal loans, student loan refinancing, and credit products, creating a unified financial hub instead of a standalone brokerage. Educational articles, goal-based tracking, and a clean mobile-first interface make the platform approachable for beginners and busy professionals. The strengths of SoFi Invest are accessibility, zero commission trading, low minimums, and seamless integration across banking and investing. It works especially well for new investors, passive investors, and anyone who wants to manage investing, saving, and borrowing in one place. The limitations are equally important to understand. Advanced charting, automation, strategy testing, and professional-grade execution tools are limited, which makes SoFi a poor fit for active or systematic traders. Order types are basic, customization is minimal, and the platform is not designed for high-frequency or tactical trading. Looking at third-party sentiment, NinjaTrader holds a 3.5 out of 5 Trustpilot rating based on 986 reviews, with users frequently praising its futures specific power, execution quality, and depth of tools, while criticism often centers on complexity and customer support response times. SoFi holds a stronger 4.2 out of 5 Trustpilot rating based on over 10,000 reviews, with positive feedback around ease of use, ecosystem value, and accessibility, alongside recurring complaints about support delays and account-related issues. As always, Trustpilot ratings should be treated as directional sentiment indicators rather than definitive judgments, since financial platforms often attract reviews during moments of frustration or exceptional experience. Final takeaway: if your goal is active futures trading with deep analytics, automation, and commission structures that reward volume and commitment, NinjaTrader is purpose-built for that role. If you want commission-free investing, low minimums, integrated banking, and a simple, long-term approach to building wealth, SoFi Invest is the more practical and approachable choice. The right platform depends entirely on whether you trade for precision or invest for simplicity. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest platform comparisons, and click the link below to explore the platform that actually fits how you invest, manage money, and grow wealth over time.